Did you know that the Philippines is actively strengthening its role in international justice? With global cooperation against crime becoming more critical, the process of bringing fugitives to justice across borders is constantly evolving. In 2025, the Philippine Supreme Court made a significant move to clarify and streamline this very process. In today's episode, we'll dive into the newly approved rules on extradition proceedings, understanding what they mean for justice in the Philippines and beyond. Extradition is fundamentally the formal surrender by one state of an individual, found within its territory to another state for prosecution or punishment for crimes committed in the requesting state. It's a crucial mechanism for international cooperation against transnational crime. In the Philippines, the Supreme Court N-Bank approved the new rules on extradition proceedings, identified as AM number 22-03-29 SC, in a resolution dated April 8, 2025. These rules, which took effect on November 10, 2025, aim to ensure consistency, clarity, and efficiency in handling such cases. They cover all aspects, including applications for warrants of arrest, hold departure orders, and bail. To initiate and process an extradition under the new rules, several key elements must be present. Request from another state. The process begins when another sovereign state formally requests the surrender of an individual. Presence of an extraditee in the Philippines. The individual sought must be within Philippine territory, whether for provisional arrest or full extradition. Extraditable offense. The offense for which extradition is requested must be punishable by imprisonment or other deprivation of liberty under the laws of both the Philippines and the requesting state. This is known as the principle of double criminality. Furthermore, if the person has already been sentenced, the remaining sentence must be at least 6 months. Due process. The rules emphasize adherence to due process throughout the proceedings, ensuring the rights of the extraditee are protected. Compliance with treaties. Extradition treaties between the Philippines and the requesting state play a crucial role in governing the specific procedures and requirements. While the new rules on extradition proceedings are fresh as of 2025, they build upon existing principles of international and Philippine law. One core doctrine they affirm is double criminality. This principle, which has been upheld in various international and domestic cases, ensures that a person can only be extradited if the alleged act is considered a crime in both the requesting and the requested state. For instance, in El Khoury v. Government of the United States, 2025, UKSC 3, a case from the UK Supreme Court also in 2025, the concept of double criminality was crucial in quashing an extradition order, highlighting its global significance in preventing jurisdictional overreach. The Philippine rules echo this, ensuring that extradition requests meet this fundamental legal benchmark. Let's say Mr. X, a foreign national residing in the Philippines, is wanted by his home country, State Y, for a complex fraud scheme. Under the new rules, State Y would submit an extradition request to the Philippine government. Philippine authorities would then determine if the alleged fraud is also a crime under Philippine law, satisfying the double criminality principle. If so, and after evaluating other requisites, an application for a warrant of arrest and potentially a hold departure order would be filed. The Philippine courts, guided by these new rules, would now have a strict 30-day deadline to decide the extradition case after the last witness is presented or the last pleading is received, a significant change from previous, often protracted timelines. The new rules on extradition proceedings are a game changer. For individuals, this means faster resolution of extradition cases. For the legal system, it brings much-needed consistency and clarity, with courts now having a defined 30-day period to make decisions. This emphasis on efficiency, while maintaining due process, is crucial for both local and international justice. Remember the principle of double criminality. The alleged crime must be an offense in both countries. Understanding these new rules is essential for anyone interested in how international justice operates. The Philippine Supreme Court's move to streamline extradition proceedings signifies a commitment to global cooperation while upholding legal safeguards. This is Journal Law, bringing justice to your feed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more legal explainers.